It's Friday morning, last day of the hike. Bill and Jerry and Lynn are taking down their tents. Grayson's in here. Time to wake up, Grayson. Wake up. The sun is about to crest over there. Had a cool pink sky this morning. Oh, there's Kay's air mattress. Get a better look at the red barn this morning. The GoPro's been dying in this cold, and Kay lent me one of her Enduro batteries. So we're seeing if the batteries make the difference. So far I'm filming for over a minute and it hasn't turned off on me yet. So this is the famous red barn. But it's been condemned for disrepair, so you can't use it anymore. Used to be lots of pads down here. We took out the floor. Left some of the flooring over here. And then inside, we took out the stairwell that goes upstairs. Inside here. Anyways, it's Friday morning, last day of our hike. We've got 9 miles to go. We're gonna basically hike up that hill and along that ridge, all the way around, along that ridge, and then right there, in that probably third or fourth bump where it descends down, we'll follow that shoulder down, and that elbow kind of curves around, heading down into town. So that's our 9 mile day. A little bit up right here, and we'll be able to have a view of the barn from up there. But after that, that's maybe a mile or so, and then it's all relatively flat, and then we've got about a 6 mile down to get to town. Last shot of the valley here at the Overmountain shelter. Grayson and I are packed up, ready to go. It's just about ready. Got a bit of a view of the barn down there.
Oh, cool.
You can see.
Good shot.
Yeah. That's where we stayed last night. That ridge. We're making our way up. Up. Head for Little Hump Mountain, I believe. We're making our big climb of the day. It's about 1.75 miles up, and Grayson asked me to walk in the front so I could silk blaze and bust up all the spider webs that cross the trail when the first guy goes through. So we're off to a good start. Started at 8 o'clock as we normally do. Guessing we'll be there about 3 or 4 back to Mountain Harbour Hostel. Rob's gonna leave his car at the trailhead and then hike towards us, so he may meet us somewhere halfway and then do the walk back with us. So right now we're climbing up Little Hump Mountain, and being the last day of the trip, the pizza talk is getting serious. So we're ready for pizza. We got it all figured out where we're gonna go. The last decision to make is whether we get cleaned up before pizza satisfaction, or whether we go straight to the pizza place and then go to the hotel, clean up. So we'll have to see. But everything's going good. It was a pretty comfortable night. It was probably our warmest night on the trail, maybe. It's about 34 degrees. So above freezing. Wind was pretty light. It was an awesome shelter. We're almost there. There's a hiker up ahead of us. Yep. That's probably Doug.
I bet you it is.
Oh, and we got full sun again, clear skies.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this.
On our way up. Little Hump Mountain.
Do we have to do another one of these humps?
Yep. A couple of them.
Well, it's
Well, there's Little Hump and then there's Hump. I think once we're up there now.
I liked yesterday's stuff because it was a climb up.
Yeah.
And then all down, and there was just this little. I think it was a fairly large up, but I like the ups where you can see where you're ending.
Yeah.
Because if you don't know where you're going, it just feels like you've been walking forever.
Again, we're lucky to have nice weather doing these big exposed balds.
Beauty all around.
Yeah. Incredible.
Yes. But it's better. I mean, it's not as
Okay,
hard aerobic.
Bill.
Smaller step
Got Lynn and Jerry back there.
for me. Oh, he loves to photograph us.
Get out of my way.
We got a little more climb to do. We are, I believe, finally cresting the top. Little Hump. We stopped for a break a little bit down, and then Grayson decided he was done and he just took off running. And he ran up this whole stretch. This looks pretty cool. Oh, we got our first view of Big Hump. Look at this. Holy cow.
We taking our packs off for a minute, or?
Kid, if you need.
There you go. He's the pace setter.
Lynn is kicking booty.
Yeah,
See him go.
we're making our way down Little Hump, and that's our first view of Hump Mountain. It's coming in. That's where we're climbing next. These deep troughs we find ourselves walking in are kind of tricky. This one at least is narrow enough for both your feet, but some of them get really narrow. You can barely fit your feet in there. Yeah, there it is, Hump Mountain. That's next.
Beautiful views.
The weather forecast said it was going to be overcast today, and so far we got an epic day again. See a couple hikers making their way up. We stayed with them last night. Up ahead. And Lynn's down there somewhere. We find ourselves climbing Hump Mountain. We're there. Bit of a line of hikers ahead. If I recall right, that's Tennessee that way. And that's North Carolina. If I might have it mixed up. No, that's the other way. That's Tennessee. That's North Carolina. Look at this, Hump Mountain. Still climbing, but getting closer. We could see those piles of rocks up there from our campsite last night. We thought they might have been like people or animals, but the distance was, they looked pretty small from afar. Look a lot bigger as we get closer. Here comes Kay. That's Doug way up ahead of us. It's neat that when it's exposed like this, you can see other hikers. There's a couple hikers cresting the very top. We all stayed in the same shelter together last night. Amazing. Getting closer. See there's Jerry way back there, and Bill, okay. Lynn's trekking up. Grayson has found a spot to rest.
I think we're about halfway up.
Yeah. Yeah, Jerry's getting a picture. We're filming Jerry taking a picture of us. Holy moly. Grayson was kind of thinking we were there, but then once we turn the corner, we can see we're most certainly not there. The climbing continues.
But we can go all the way over there.
Yeah. Yep. It appears the beatings will continue. We're thinking for real we're at the top after this. Are we there? We're not?
We're not there.
What? What do you mean we're not there? Oh, we're not there. There's more. We get to go through a fence. Oh. Whew. There's a step here. Dude, this way. You're gonna barf, save it for the top. The wind will carry it away from you. Just barf downwind. From this vantage, it looks like you're like right on the edge of the world. Yeah, it just falls off behind you. Okay, let's do it. Yep. I think the top is actually way up there.
It just keeps going.
Yeah. These fake out tops must keep climbing.
This is evil.
Nah. Yeah, we're gonna catch the rest of the crew as they get to see that the climb is not over and they need to navigate a fence. Let's see how is Lynn. He's approaching the small one. He's over.
Oh, I think I'll stay
He's
here.
done a nice pause and he's over.
Very nice.
Yep. That was an 8. Let's see how Bill does. Wonder if anyone's gonna use the step like I did. Bill might.
I didn't really realize that step was, that's what that
Bill
was.
may do. Oh, he did. Oh,
That's
oh,
exactly what I did.
oh. I don't know. I don't know to rate that higher or lower.
Ride a Bronco.
Yep. Call that an 8 as well. Creativity
I
points.
think, yes, definitely.
Yeah, the creativity points. Maybe Jerry will use the step like I did.
I know. Right?
Oh, there it is. Lynn just figured it out.
Yeah, he did.
If you couldn't hear over the wind, he says, "Oh shit, it's not the top." And I'm not paraphrasing.
I know. It was a cruel reality. I love
I hate that GoPro.
Cortland's gonna like this one. That might be the, I'll grab the still of your face for the video. That'll be the thumbnail.
That was hard.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it would be that hard.
Yeah, no, when you see it from a distance. There he goes. Here comes Jerry. Let's see how he's gonna approach it. It's starting to sink in.
Almost there?
You're almost there.
That's what I want to hear.
Yep. See how he approaches the fence. Oh, he goes for the low bar.
Oh, it looks like a long way.
3/10 of a mile. Right there, there is the position of defeat. Mental anguish at realizing there's 3/10 more of a mile to climb. But he's got his chin high. He's back at it.
That broke my spirit.
Your spirit's gonna rebuild with every step. He said it broke his spirit, realizing. This is what we came for right here.
I thought I was at the top, that's all.
Back when I was trying to change us to a different section and you said, this is just me. I don't think we should change. I really want to do Roan. And I think he was right.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Alright, let's finish strong.
No. You go ahead. I got a finish week.
Still climbing, of course. But I do believe we can see the top. We're all making our way up at our own pace. Whatever works. Alright. I see a crowd gathering. Could it be? Is it the top?
Finally the top.
Whoa!
Where's Jerry at?
We're at the top. Jerry's coming. He's right behind me.
Okay.
Rob said Trail Mix made him pay $15 for him. He's like, I paid for parking.
All right. Elevation 5,587 feet. What mountain? Wow. Break time? We're making our way down now. You can see the trail snakes along this ridge. I believe see if we can get a better view here in a second. I believe it curls down to that road. Basically curls around and goes down to 19E. Fence down there we get to go through. Oop. Every time I take my eyes off the trail, I twist my ankle on this lip. like we're about to descend into trees again.
Oh,
All of a sudden we're swarmed by flies.
I just got bit by a mosquito.
Yeah. I had a cloud of bugs around my face. Making our way down some rocky sections.
A bunch of false peaks.
I'll let you go.
Okay.
Where'd the boys go? Where's the guys? Oh,
They
they're
mu-
there.
Yeah, they're just back there. We met up with Rob again. He hiked up as we were hiking down. We met in the middle. So now he's hiking back down with us. So there's a nice grassy spot ahead of us where we're gonna do a lunch break. Get a little bit of time with our packs off. And it is hot. We all probably need to shed some layers. Neat view down in the valley. Grayson's busting ahead. Made it to Doll Flats. Nice campground. Leaving North Carolina, which means entering Tennessee. Grayson has found a nice rock.
Did you really? Yep. You, sir, are man. I hope that's okay.
Yeah, just take your time.
Yeah, I gotta film Jason. Well, you made that look easy, boy.
Yep, good job.
Because he's our BAK. Yeah, but I didn't have a full pack on when I went through that.
Looks like the trail used to go that way.
Well, it was probably worse, or looks worse than it really is.
Some guy came down today and he was starting to go that way.
Well, they go that way for a view.
No, down that way. I think.
Oh! Oh yeah, that's why they got the wood piled up.
Yep.
It might have been a way.
Neat rhododendron section. Some trail maintainers have been through trimming the rhododendron and they gave Grayson a piece. He said, free rhododendrons if you want some. Pretty neat section of trail.
I think I'm gonna have to drop my rhododendrons for
Yeah.
this. Probably. I think that would be a cool job.
Trail maintainer?
Yeah.
It's
Think-
definitely a lot easier going down.
Yep. I think most of them do it as like volunteer work when they're not working.
Yeah. Even if it's volunteer, I think that would be cool to do.
Yeah, it's nice to support the trail.
I don't know.
About 2.5 miles to go to the hostel.
Right.
We keep my knees warm, so.
Well, look at all that.
Cool.
How many leaves are out down here, Grayson?
Great.
Look at all the leaves on the trees.
Oh yeah.
We didn't have that farther up, did we? No, just had little buds.
I think those flowers on the side of the trail at that section were nice, but I was getting kind of bored of it.
You're right.
Yeah, it's real neat.
Stay careful. Oh, this would be another bad spot to skip. I think I hear water.
Yep.
It does level off a little bit, but not much.
I think I hear a river.
It gets
Yep.
less rock.
There's Lynn down there. There goes Jerry.
Is that the wind or a river?
I was able to go in the back and make the
Little over a mile to go. And we're ready. We're ready to be done. Got 4/10 of a mile left, and Grayson has been charging ahead, running every now and again. Excited. There he goes.
sometimes you can just get place in.
Plus, Hiker Trail entrance.
It's no trespass.
False alarm.
Only because Rob and I walked up there.
You guys can go. This way I get evidence of everyone finishing.
This isn't really the Appalachian Trail.
Nope. House. And we're there. We are wrapping up, having beers, ice cream. We all made it. We're relaxing.
Happy.
Yep. Yep. Well, thanks for joining us for another adventure. Right? Till next time.